Can you delete your booking history in Agoda? Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, we'll try to find out if we can delete our booking history in Agoda app. So for people that do not know what Agoda is an online travel agency that helps you find booking hotels, flights, accommodations, transportations and stuff like that. So if you've ever booked a service from them, it will get saved in your app. So if you're ever there and if you want to delete that, and if you're wondering if you can do so, simply head over to the home section, and under home section what you can do is you can just play around here and you will find out that there is no direct delete button for the Agoda website. So Agoda does not allow direct deletion of your trips or your services that you've used. So the only way that you can do is you can either just delete your account as a whole and then create a completely new account if you do want to delete your booking history, because there is no delete option for the booking history in Agoda.